Good morning. In this video, I am going to explain some basic terms of cost accounting. What do you mean by cost? Cost is the value of economic resources used as a result of producing or doing the thing costed. The value of economic resources is always expressed in terms of money. The value of resources given up in exchange for some goods or services is known as cost. Definition of cost accounting. Cost accounting is the process of accounting for cost, which begins with the recording of income and expenditure and ends with the preparation of periodical statement and report for ascertaining and controlling cost. The recording of income and expenditure related to production of goods and services. The periodical statement and reports useful for management, for decision making, policy making, budget preparation, cost control and cost reduction. Objectives of cost accounting: to ascertain the cost of products and services. Cost of productions and cost of services can be calculated by ascertaining the economic resources used for productions and services. Example: cost per kg and cost per ton. To determine selling price, cost accounting help to determine the total cost. Based on that, you will add profit and fix the selling price of any goods and services. Providing information for framing business policy. Cost accounting provide valuable information to the management for policy making. To provide information for decision making. Suppose if you producing a mobile for rupees 10,000, the same mobile available in the market at cost of rupees 8,000, so that producing company buy from the market and sell to the customer. Ascertainment of profit of each activity. Main objectives of cost accounting by matching the cost with the revenue activities. Cost accounting help to determining the value of closing inventory. Reporting of cost data. Cost accounting system provides immediate information regarding elements of cost. This helps in speedy preparation of cost statement. It helps in the preparation of budget. Cost accounting help to prepare estimated income and expenses for an upcoming period based on future plan. Cost control. Cost accounting apply various techniques for cost control. For example, budgetary control analyzing the variation between standard cost and actual cost for controlling the variation. Elements of cost accounting. There are three elements of cost accounting. First one, material, substance from which the product is made. Labor, human effort is needed for conversion of material into finished goods. Expenses, any expenses other than material and labor is termed as expenses. Material can be divided into two types: direct material and indirect material. What do you mean by direct material? Direct material are used directly in the production process and reflected in the final product. For example, in cloth production, cotton is a direct material. What do you mean by indirect material? Indirect material cannot be reflected in the final product. For example, stationery and small tools used in production. Labor can be divided into two types: direct labor and indirect labor. What do you mean by direct labor? Labor are directly engaged in making finished goods. For example, carpenter in furniture making. What do you mean by indirect labor? Labor are indirectly engaged to help direct labor and for works other than production. For example, watchman and sweeper indirectly support the direct labor. Expenses can be divided into two types, direct expenses and indirect expenses. What do you mean by direct expenses? Expenses which can be directly and conveniently allocated to specific cost centers. For example, royalty expenses and cost of designs. What do you mean by indirect expenses? Expenses which cannot be directly and conveniently allocated to specific cost centers. For example, rent and repairs. What do you mean by overheads? The aggregate cost of indirect material, indirect labor, and indirect expenses. Overheads can be divided into three types: factory overheads, office and administrative overheads, selling and distribution overheads. What do you mean by factory overheads? Indirect material incurred in manufacturing division. For example, factory rent and supervisor salary. What do you mean by office and administrative overheads? Indirect expenses incurred in administrative divisions. For example, office rent and legal expenses. What do you mean by selling and distribution overheads? Indirect expenses which are incurred for making the goods ready for sale. For example, salesman salary and warehouse rent.